As a candlestick investor, the probabilities that we were going to have a positive trading day today was extremely high. To the magnitude of 111 points, not necessarily, just positive, because the chart was telling us that every time it got back to the lower end of the trading range, the bears could not knock it down without the bulls bringing it back up. On Friday, the bulls did a little bullish harami right here at the bottom of the trend channel, indicating the selling had stopped. Seeing the positive trading, or the pre-market futures opening positive today, was a good indication that if there was signals to be bought or individual stock patterns to be bought, today was the time to be buying it because the uptrend was still going to be in progress. The transportation index had been more compelling on Friday, with it closing not only as a bullish signal. Notice how all the hammers and dojis were sitting right here on the T-line. Friday it closed above the T-line, creating this little rounding bottom with a good prospect that if they couldn't close it below the T-line, they were still taking this trend up higher. That allowed us to stay in good positions. Knowing that the market conditions have not changed, that investor sentiment is still bullish, allows patterns such as we're seeing in VJET, VJET, coming out of a big fry pan bottom, pulling back. And where did it pull back to? You can see obviously at the 20-day moving average we were seeing buy signals, and then today it closed above the T-line. Any positive trading on this one tomorrow would put us in a position of what we call our classic pattern, a fry pan bottom, which creates a very strong price move, a pullback, then the J-hook pattern, which has a prerequisite of a very strong price move. This means if this starts trading positive tomorrow, the next wave should be equivalent to this wave right here, putting us again in a high probability trade, knowing that the investor sentiment in the general market is not changing, that investors are still coming into price patterns with great enthusiasm. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.